So anyways, I still think Tesla has room to go, believe it or not, but we'll see. Now listen, here's what I want you to know. Oh, but I shouldn't have touched any of it. It's up to you. Do what you want, right? I'd be looking at this level here, which are these, by the way. I'm trying to draw a straight line. Let me do this better. Hold on. This area right here. So as long as it stays above here, we're good. Otherwise, I'd shave some. Do you see it? Just like here. Comes back down here. This would be another shave spot. Do you see it?
Yep.
Otherwise, stay in it. But you do that. The reason we do that, everybody, is because you want to make sure you've collected some of this profit, because there's only two spots you should have got in, by the way, if you were watching it here, which is your 2-minute, and you would have did it here off the scalp. Okay. So if you guys have bought it down here, which is exactly where I said, no matter what this does, it's the most money you've ever made in your life, because it's Tesla. And that means it moved a lot. You see it? This is all profit. So don't give it back. Do you understand? Okay, good.
And it's still going.
It still has. I mean, it could. I just don't.
Yeah.
And this is why I also say don't unload everything you got, because this could continue to run. That's why we do them in pieces. If you bought in here, my stop is going to be around here. Do you see it? So there's got to be a cutoff in case it goes knife drop. You don't give it all back. Do you understand that? Yeah, don't leave your stop. Don't leave your stop here, right? Move it up. Don't leave it way the hell down here, because if this just like circuit breaker, lose it all, why would you do that? But what you don't want is you don't want to stop here, because it can go and pull you out, right? Thank you. Does that make sense, everybody? I need you on that page with me. There's your sell off. See right here? What did I say? What did I say on the pull? Right? What did I just say to do it? Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Right here?
Yes.
Right here. That's the move. Oh, sorry. This one, the second one. These two moves, these are the ones I train on. This one and this one, right?
Right.
So you would have been on this one or this one. It would have pulled down here, everybody, right? You would have moved your stop at or what you paid for it. When it pulled back, I would have sold half, pulled back more, right? Now you're break even, and I probably would have dumped here. Or if you still liked it below VWAP, because it's still below it, you still should be in the money or close to break even, but you collected 50% here. Does that make sense, everybody? Isn't this what I train you on every day? Next time when you go in, we don't go in because it's going down. We go in because it broke a key level. It was the 2-minute. And then we put our stop at or above what we paid. And then every time it pulls back, which is here, we shave some. So you're guaranteed profit no matter what it does the rest of the time. Make sense?
Yeah, my entry was wrong. I was up 700, and then yeah, it went back up.
Right. But
oh no.
But move the stop so it doesn't and we never ever allow a green trade to go red ever, right? Ever.
Yeah.
Ever. What's the rule on that, Zoe? Do you know?
25 to 40.
Nope. It's as soon as you go green, your stop is at or above what you paid, so you can never go red again on the trade.
Oh, right. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then every time it pulls back hard, what do we do, everybody?
Shave some off.
Shave some. What do I normally start with?
50%.
You hear that, Zoe?
Yep. Got it, coach.
That way, you kind of protect your assets as it goes. And then if it pulls against you, it doesn't hurt as much. Does that make sense?